teaching kids new skills in a fun and creative way.
Students as young as elementary school aged are learning about STEM, that is science, technology, engineering, mathematics, in a unique hands-on program. More than 500 students at Shiva Robotics Academy on Beach Blvd are being introduced to robotics in the U.S., Mexico, and in India.
News4Jax reporter Brittany Muller is joining us live from the Robotics Academy. Brittany, the program is introducing girls to STEM also at a young age. My daughter has attended this summer camp. It is just fantastic what they're teaching young girls and boys.
Exactly. Good morning, Bruce and Jen. It's giving them that exposure as young as elementary aged kids and helping them with their future careers, impacting them at such a young age. So according to the Shiva Robotics Academy, for every 10 boys, there's only 2 girls. And joining me now is Coach Bishop. And that's how you got involved, because of your granddaughter. Is that right?
That's correct.
And tell me about that and how it's impacted you to joining here the Academy.
Well, we started 7 years ago when she was in elementary school, and I wanted her to get a STEM experience, which is science, technology, engineering, and math. And we started a team, an FLL, First Lego League team, at that point, and that's led on to
what it is today
and my being at Shiva Academy.
And you're impacting hundreds of students, right?
Yes.
And with their futures. And joining me now right here is Gideon and Sasha. And what do you have here?
We have a robot that does a bunch of missions on the table in the span of 2.5 minutes.
Can you show me how it works?
Yeah.
And so how long, you've been doing this program for about 5 years now, and what do you want to do in the future?
I want to go into some type of engineering, most likely biochemical.
And what have you learned being a part of this program here?
I've learned more about programming and mostly STEM, and also how to work together because of core values.
Now tell me what this is doing here. How did you learn how to make this, and what is it doing?
Well, I learned how to make this. This year we're using Python programming. So it's text-based. And we download it from the computer after we write it to the robot, and then we run the program. And what it just did was it knocked this down so the swing would go.
Amazing.
And it got from this, and it would push it to go there.
Great. And let's take a look right here, this robotic. Josh is going to show us how it works. In the meantime, the founder, Coach K, is going to tell us just about the impact that it has on all of the students here in our community. And 500 students from Duval County schools, homeschools, parents. Tell me about that.
Yes, Brittany. So it started out with just 5 students in my living room. And today we have the program in 23 different schools in Duval County. We touch like homeschooling kids, and then like very enthusiastic moms. We train them as robotics coaches, and we have them in all different schools and after-school program to train the students.
And this actually started in your house and expanded to Chick-fil-A. You were invited there to show off what your students were doing, and now it impacts such a large portion of our community.
Yeah, we partner with major organizations like Girl Scout, Renaissance, Jax, and then we make it happen.
Sure. Thank you so much for joining us live this morning on Channel 4. So Shiva Robotics Academy impacts the schools, homeschools, public and private, as well as parents. And to learn more about the Academy, you could visit our website, News4Jax.com. Reporting live this morning, Brittany Muller, Channel 4, the local station.